Hello children, today we are going to see chapter 5 file handling type C question 9. In this question we have to write the program to read the characters. Okay, read the characters from the file. So what it has to categorize the content. Okay, lowercase letters are gathered in one file, uppercase letters are gathered in another file, and other characters, letters are going to store in the copy in the another files. This is the task we are going to do. So what we have to do, we have to open one file and we have to read from that file. We have to check whether the whether the character is upper, lower, or other, that is punctuation marks, full stop, comma, anything is there. We have to check that and we have to put it separately in each and every file. That is our task. Okay, so for that we will begin the program now. So first what we have to do, we have to open the file first. Okay, F1 is equal to open. So I am opening a poem file. Dot text. Okay, one poem will be there in this. I am going to open that in a read mode. I am going to open it. Next I have to create a 3 files, because one is for upper, second is for lower, and the third is for other characters, others. Okay, so let us open the other file. Open. So let us have the name as lower. Okay, lower dot text. So which mode? Write mode. F3. Open. Upper. Which mode? Write mode. F4. Open. And which mode? Others. Dot text and write mode. So 4 files we have opened now, and we have to, now what is our task? We have to read the data from the one file. So data is equal to F1 dot read. We read the file, right? Next what we have to do, we have to read the characters. For doing that we have to use a for loop. For W in data. After reading the characters, because if you are using a read function, the output format will be, file format will be string. Okay, string only it is going to read. So next what we have to do, we have to check whether the character is upper, lower, or other. So if W dot is upper equal to true, this condition is true, what it has to do, it has to copy it in a, write it in the another file. That is, upper means which file? F3 dot write. F3 dot write. What it has to write? W, that is each and every character. If it is true, condition is true. Okay, then what it has to do? F3, then after writing it has to leave one tab. F3 dot write of tab, one tab it has to leave. Okay, similarly this is for lower and this is for other. So let us copy the same thing. Control C, and here Control V. Here elif should be there, then this will be lower, and the copy file is F2. Okay, one more time we will copy it. So this is going to be other. In this no condition is needed, whichever remaining everything is going to store here. So else F4, here also F4. Okay, then we have to close each and every file. F1 dot close So let us execute now. So no error in this file. We will open this each and every file and look into it. All the characters are gathered or not. Okay, lower.txt. You can see here lower.txt. Each and every letters are stored here with the tab because we have given the tab. Okay, so lowercase letters, this one. Let us open the uppercase. You can see here uppercase letters are only few are there, and we will look into the other. So in other the punctuations will be there. You can see here and there comma is there, and a semicolon, hyphen, full stop. So many punctuations are here. Okay, so you can see here. So you can see here and all punctuations are there. Okay, thank you children. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments. For the further videos, you subscribe my channel. Thank you.